We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The article Moon Viewing 赏月 was completed in 1959 and is one of the last works of Zonglihe. It is written in a simple manner, the author expressing the beauty of the mid-autumn moon. First, he writes about the bright moon, how it climbs slowly up the sky, projecting its brightness, bathing the fields of crops in cold, clean light. Then he speaks of the shimmering rays of the moon as if they were snakes, and the moonlight as if it were raindrops of light. The moon changes constantly in the author's eyes, not only enriching the viewer and reader's minds, but also the depth of the article. At the end of the piece, the author describes the moon as a happy old man, as if the brightness of an old man's smile and the moon were one and the same, thus ending the article on another poetic note. Hello everyone, this is Joseph Lin, and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day.
你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Oh, Alice, I am so itchy.
你這個造馬雞，
造馬雞是什麼？
抓什麼？
哦，抓什麼？我在抓我全身很癢，你知道嗎？ I'm itching all over because yesterday I did a foolish thing. I was so stupid. I know I'm allergic to shrimp. Anyways, I thought today, maybe because since I have an allergic reaction right now, maybe we should teach people about seafood.
好啊。
這個既然剛剛講到蝦子 shrimp, I'm allergic to it, but we still have to teach people how to say shrimp in Hakka.
蝦滾。
蝦滾？哎，蝦子滾是什麼？
滾哦，像阿公跟公一樣。
哦，蝦公嗎？
蝦公。
哦，你們把蝦子叫做蝦公啊？
對。
Oh, that's very funny. Okay, 蝦滾 that's shrimp 蝦子。我比較喜歡吃螃蟹。魔蟹。魔蟹啊？哦，對我來講沒有什麼害處。魔蟹。沒啦。不會癢，對，絕對好吃。魔蟹。哦，魔蟹就螃蟹啊。螃蟹不是會有一點毛嗎？我給你講魔蟹，安尼好，不要緊。魔蟹是螃蟹。Okay, so crab is named 魔蟹。Okay, in Hakka, I thought she said there's no harm to me. Okay, how about fish? Fish is a very common seafood. 啊，我都愛吃啊。就是什麼？就是魚嗎？我每次都感覺你在講台語。That's fish. It sounds like yellow in Taiwanese, but anyways, it's fish in general. And how about clams? 蛤蟆嗎？蛤蟆。哦，一個蛤蟆，一個安尼好。好，蛤蟆 that's clam. So there you have it. That's our seafood lesson of the day in Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin. 是冇大家。安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.